We are starting pawpaws. I have these in a bag with moist towel. We'll see how these do. I'm going to just put them in a couple days ago. I'll show you what I got going in the greenhouse too. Walking out to the greenhouse. Putting in some Leyland cypress. Kind of a windscreen and a block. Because he sold the property next to us. It's changed hands several times now. Here's the greenhouse we got finished. Very nice. Automatic lights, very nice. So this Paw Paw, and these are all pawpaws too here. So I've got one on each one of these. They said they like a deep pot, so I got them in a deep pot. They said they don't like transplanting very much, so I'm gonna try to catch them pretty early. You can see we've already got stuff popping up. It's very early February here in North Texas. My wife's got some starters going. So I've heard they take about a month and a half to germinate. So we're gonna just keep these. You can see they're still a little moist, and try to keep them moist but not wet. And got them about an inch down. So we will see what happens. I will keep you updated on the pawpaws. I got the seeds from eBay, so hopefully we'll see what happens. Said they were already stratified. So, yeah. Oh, there's a seed right there. Let's see if I can... There's pawpaw seed. I'll probably put that in here just so it won't be lost to the ages. Get this grass out of here. And put it about that far down. There we are. I might cover these with some saran wrap just to keep it moist, but it's definitely moist in there. And here we have the this is a heat storm. These are pretty cool. They're electric, but you can set the temperature. I've got it set to the lowest, 40, so it doesn't freeze in here. It will keep it warm. And then Wi-Fi enabled, and you can do the child lock because children. And what's really cool is you can monitor the temperature. So right now it's 74 in here. So you can kind of monitor the temperature without having to come out here. You can just check your app and, okay, well, it's 74 in there. Yeah, so this is the rest of the greenhouse. My wife got a table for free, so we're probably going to set it up in the corner there or somewhere else. But I'm happy with it. Came out really nice. Got everything up there spray foamed. Got the thermostatic fan. You can see it's at 60 and it starts blowing. We're gonna set it to around 80. We don't want it to get too hot in here, but alright, well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. I'm starting to learn about pawpaws, so if you have any information, drop it in the comments, let me know. I've done a little bit of research. I'm not an expert, but if you have any questions about the greenhouse, let me know. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.